I'm sorry, but is this a joke? Yes, I know about this contract very well.
I hear your guy is very tough.
I know.
Hey!
I don't quite get you, sir.
You will soon enough, especially when more power is thrust upon you. You will see that the world is not so black and white.
Boss, I think don't venture doing that. Think in my presence.
She won the bid. How come she wasn't informed?
This little task won't mean it.
I've told you to relax.
What about the damage to reputation?
Why is this man still on my case?
Just make sure there are no slip-ups.
I don't quite follow, sir.
Because if this one doesn't work, you know what's going to happen.
Mr. Kwame Bimpong, you're under arrest for fraud. OMANBAPA.